Hi cooks, welcome to Gigi's Recipes. I'm Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a registered dietitian who wrote her own cookbooks. And in these videos, we explore her cookbooks and try a new recipe each week. Today we're going to be making porcupines. This is a recipe from Gigi's cookbook, Food Tips for a Healthy Lifestyle. This was one of her more recent books, and it's pretty cool because she had every recipe analyzed to get the nutrition facts. So I can tell you for sure this is an easy, low-calorie recipe that tastes like comfort food. Let's get it going. Start with 1 pound lean ground meat. I used beef. Add some uncooked rice and chopped onion. From here you can keep it just like this, or you can add whatever you like to dress it up to add flavor. I added 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Give it a mix and form the mixture into 6 balls. Set the balls in a crock pot and cover with 1 large can of tomato soup. Put the lid on and cook on high for 3 to 4 hours. When they're done, the rice will stick out like little porcupine quills and you'll be ready to plate them up with your favorite side. These are a super fun cold weather meal and you can customize them the way you do hamburgers. So try seasoning them with something different each time. I hope you can add this fun recipe into your rotation at home. The full recipe's in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.